अमेरिका में पाकिस्तान के बारे में गलतफहमियां पैदा करने की कोशिश की गई। ये गलतफहमी दूर करने की ज़रूरत है। अमरीकी सरमाकार जेनेटरी बीच की इस्लामाबाद में गुफ्तगू। अमरीकी सरमाकार वफ़ की नुमाइंदगी करते हुए उन्होंने कहा कि पाकिस्तान और अमरीका के ताल्लुकात दहाइयों पर मुहित हैं। बाइडन इंतज़ामिया ने 4 साल पाकिस्तान के साथ जो मामला किया वो मुनासिब नहीं था। सदर ट्रंप और पाकिस्तानी क़यादत का विजन एक है। ट्रंप इक़्तिसादी सिफारतकारी पर यकीन रखते हैं। हम पाकिस्तान में रियल एस्टेट और मादनियात में सरमायाकारी के ख्वाहिशमंद हैं।
We've all been under attack. I think the stuff that the Biden administration did to Pakistan was absolutely disgraceful. It was something I'm incredibly embarrassed. If you look at the problems they caused, these are things that President Trump, is cleaning up, and he's brought in the right teams to clean these things up. I believe your leadership here in this country is very aligned and very like-minded. The Pakistan-U.S. relationships go back many, many years. Someone was saying, even Jackie Kennedy was flying on Pakistan Airways. I think there's a lot of misperceptions in the U.S. about Pakistan. I think it's a very misunderstood place. And, President Trump believes in economic diplomacy. And that's why we're here. We plan on investing billions of dollars in Pakistan across a number of different areas. Critical minerals and real estate are where we're going to start. From a real estate perspective, we've brought in our real estate development partners and are going to build some of the most high-end luxury properties that have ever existed in Pakistan.
सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल दबाएं ताकि कोई खबर रह न जाए।